In this video, I'll show you how to change the DPI settings of your Logitech G203 mouse. So it's very easy. First, you need to open G-Hub. And if you don't have this software over here, just go on Google, tap Logitech G-Hub, should be one of the first results. It's available for Mac or PCs. Download the software and open it. Now, when you open, you're going to see all your Logitech devices that are connected. In my case, I have two mouses, but obviously today we're going to talk about the G203. So when you see your G203 LightSync or whatever other model you have, just click on it. This will open, and over here on the left, you're going to see there's 4 different numbers. If you click on this button that is right above the scroll wheel on your Logitech G203, you're going to shuffle between these different DPI numbers. You see? Now, if you want to change those numbers, it's very easy. On the right side over here, just going to drag those white circles to your desired number. So you see, let's say you don't want 8,000, you just want 7,000. Well, drag it here, and every time you're going to click on that button on your mouse, it will shuffle between the numbers you decided. So once you customize those DPI settings, DPI numbers, you can go ahead and close this, open your game, and now you're going to control the DPI settings using the button on your mouse. You won't have to open this software every time. So thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.